We are tracking what really happened to Nido. Tanya, remember his post-mortem report is now out, which has clearly indicated that he died because of severe internal bleeding. It also talks about injuries on his face and head. Sources now say that the accused will be tried for murder. Those are the details that we are bringing you out of Nido's post-mortem report. This clearly then means that the three people who've been arrested in this entire case, who were till now facing allegations under the SC/ST Act, now might also be tried for murder. Those are the details coming out of the post-mortem report, which is suggesting that the 19-year-old Nido died because of injuries on his face and head. Sources say that the accused will be tried for murder. They also indicate the post-mortem report that he died because of severe internal bleeding, out of which Nido had a failure, and because of that he died. Remember, we've heard the Delhi police in the High Court also saying that they have not received the post-mortem report earlier, but now it will be interesting to see how the Delhi police responds after this post-mortem report. Bhavtosh is getting us all the details. Bhavtosh, firstly, take us through the details that you're picking up on the post-mortem report now, which might indicate that the accused will be tried for murder.
Well, in fact, the police has received the final autopsy report from All India Institute of Medical Sciences and also one of the reports from CFSL. Another report of toxicology report is still to be submitted by CFSL. The police in its report or in its status report that will be submitted in the Delhi High Court will mention that Nido Tamia died because of head and injury on neck. Now, it also mentions that there is edema on the upper part of the brain, which is basically due to swelling, which happened due to blunt object. Now, that is very important because friends of Nido had said that he died because of an assault that took place outside that sweet shop in Lajpat Nagar. The police have also mentioned that the three persons in this case have been arrested. Earlier, they were tried for prevention for an act which involves an attack on SC and ST. Now, murder charges will be pressed. Whether all three will face murder charges, only probe will reveal that. A teenager who was also part of that assault has now been sent to Juvenile Justice Board. So finally, there is some hope or ray of hope for the family of Nido. They would be meeting the Prime Minister and Home Minister, but Delhi police has finally acted. It took them nearly 10 days and lot of flack from the Delhi High Court, which took a suo motu cognizance of this entire matter. As you rightly said, Dipti, that in the previous hearing, the Delhi police said that they could not get the report from All India Institute of Medical Sciences and from the CBI. It was court which took both these agencies to task, asked the lawyers to be present and made sure that by Monday the report will be submitted. At the same time, there were many skeptics and also cynics who said that Nido might have died due to natural causes or due to some other reasons. Well, the report clearly states that he died due to head and neck injuries, and it's likely that murder charges in this case will be pressed soon once SIT submits its final report to the Delhi High Court.
Very true, Bhavtosh, because this report is now at least answering the fact that how did Nido die, but what really happens to the role of the Delhi police? Because remember, they have also been under the scanner. They need to answer that was he picked up and dropped at the very same place, and was there in fact some kind of laxity on the approach of the Delhi police given this entire case?
But the last time when we spoke to the Commissioner of the Delhi Police, he had said that a special team has been formed which will look into every aspect of this case, not only Nido's death, but also into circumstances leading to his death. Now, police have so far put up a brave front. They have said that when Nido was brought to the police station, they made sure that he speaks to his mother and also to the local guardian. But what police fails to explain is why they dropped him back to the spot where he was assaulted. Now, that is under probe. That's what officers in the SIT have said, that they are looking into those facts and aspects of the case. It's likely that some kind of action later in the day will be taken against the local police. As of now, the police has said that their first task today is to submit the status report, make sure that murder charges are pressed against the accused in this case, because it's now more or less clear that Nido had died due to assault that took place outside the sweet shop in Lajpat Nagar on 29 January. The police have also said that they are awaiting for some other reports from CFSL, and they will make sure that the case is heard in a special court, because provisions of SC and ST Act have also been slapped